Okay, I've got a VTech type right here that I found last week at a thrift store, and I want to tear it down because I want to see what's inside it. This one is missing the battery compartment, and let me just power it up first with a, oh wait, that's the wrong one, with some jump start here. And I don't know if you can see the letters, but that's a very good reason for it, because for some reason this LCD has a very bad viewing angle. You have to view it from this angle to see anything. And otherwise, oh yes, and it has one other thing that's probably wrong with that I noticed the first time, is the top row of the display. Well, the top row of the display is top pixel doesn't work. Yeah, you can't even, it's hard to see on the camera, but basically the top row of the display doesn't work. So that's fine. I've shown that it's sort of working, but it's kind of a hard case to try to just fix it. So I want to see what's inside it. And it flops right apart. And that's what I expected to see from the previous look on the internet, is that that is apparently a 2764 type ROM, and that is a Z80 clone chip. And I can't do much with it without taking the keyboard apart anyway, it seems. So, wait, oh, let me take the other part apart first. I see that there's two different boards here. This is behind the buttons, so that's why there's so many screws right here. There it is. And of course you can see the piezo speaker and the battery connections there. And it's got little posts going through. Oh, and there go the buttons. Well, those are hard plastic buttons, not soft buttons. So there's what the board looks like. That's a Toshiba T7951, and a chip there that I'm probably going to dump very quickly. But first, let's see how the keyboard looks. As you can see, these got the well, that's interesting how it's got one that just jumps over the board. Oh wow, the LCD is directly connected with the Zebra connection, so maybe it'll fix itself just by me opening it and putting it back together properly. Maybe with some IPA alcohol cleaning it. I do have to wonder what the 20/10 means. These were made in the 1980s, 1990s, so that's probably not a date. Oh yes, and the date on this Sharp chip is 8809, so yeah, early 1988. But it really is basically just the ROM chip, the CPU, and a display, and a few buttons. Okay, this one's not coming. This one's stripped out. Oh, isn't that fun? That one's stripping too. Wow, these are really some bad screws. All right, now it's got a bunch of little plastic buttons here with the keys. And it's got, oh, well, it looks like 3 pieces, but it's really 1 piece. It's yeah, it's just a good old rubber dome. Oh, with carbon on the contacts. That's good, because that's very important. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that, and now I'm going to take apart the ROM. And it's off. It can't focus. It's an LH236935 Sharp Japan 8809B. Well, I tried looking and seeing what the contents were. I got what seems to be a good read off of the chip, but it doesn't make any sense. It's entirely possible they swapped around address and data lines for no other reason than just to make it hard to understand. So I don't know what to say at this point. I guess that there's a real chip in there, but and some of these here might be the words toward the end here. We've got a bunch of E's and F's in here. That might be some of the word database it uses, but otherwise there's not much I can get further about the contents of it. Again, it's just the EEPROM chip here, or the ROM chip here, the CPU chip here, the LCD here, some keypads, and keyboard connectors. Oh yeah, and this flyover connector here to connect a lot more stuff to the LCD. Look at that. See, half of the pins of this are directly connected to the LCD. That's pretty impressive. And then of course a few extra chips just to do power stuff and things like that. So there you go. The VTech Typewrite and what the contents of it looks like.